Hello friends, welcome to next generation of coders. Friends, today we talk about front end. Friends, everything which user can see on a website is done using front end. Friends, for example, I see this text Google and this text bar and this Google search and this and so many things is the front end. And friend, when we type inside anything like HTML and when we search this and the process done within 0.44 seconds, this much amount of result come. This process is done using backend. So when first we have studied the process of front end, how to create a front end and how to install a website, and then we talk about backend. First we talk about HTML, hypertext markup language, because this language is used to make the structure of every website. Every friend to make website more attractive, use CSS, cascading a style sheet. And then after that we talk about JavaScript. And this JavaScript is high-level programming language, and when this language is used to make website more dynamic, so when we will talk more about in the section of JavaScript, and then we talk about Bootstrap content framework. When Bootstrap make the libraries of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript so that we do not memorize anything and we easily do make a website. When we talk about how to use Bootstrap in future tutorials. After that, we talk about document object modulation. This is a low-cost platform for HTML, XML, and XML. So when we will talk about this in future tutorials. Then we learn jQuery, and after the front end is completed, and then we talk about backend, Python, Django, and SQL. When we will meet in the next tutorial. In that tutorial, we start learning HTML. Friend, thank you for watching, and if you have any question to ask, then ask in the comment box.